guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Korine and I like to share videos on budgeting and random craft related videos. So today I'm going to be stuffing my first YouTube paycheck for 2021 and I hope you will enjoy this video. Before I get started, I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone that has subscribed to my channel so you can check out my budgeting videos. All of you guys that have liked the videos and that have left me comments, I appreciate you guys for being so sweet. If I notice that you have a budgeting name and you have a channel, I try to go to your channel and try to show you some love over there too. So if you don't have budget in your name, but you have a channel where you share budgeting tips and ideas and cash stuffings, leave me a comment down below. I would love to check your channel out and support you like I've been giving all of the support here lately. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you know how much I got paid for my first paycheck of 2021. So I do have a small channel, so my pay may not be like, you know, some of the big YouTubers, but what I do get from YouTube has been a huge blessing in our life. I can't stress enough about how much this channel has really helped us out. So today we're going to be stuffing $150. My YouTube check was a little bit more than that, but I left some in the bank for taxes because I'm sure I'll eventually have to pay some taxes. So I've got my little budget sheet here and I'm going to zoom in so you can kind of see what it looks like. It's one that I created and it's just got the payment source. So again, it's just going to be the YouTube check. And what we are budgeting for today is $150. I'm just going to put that down as an actual amount because that's what we're going to be doing the cash stuffing. And I designed this sheet so each paycheck I can put down what bills are due, but I'm not paying any bills with the YouTube paycheck because bills have been paid. We're only going to be doing envelope stuffing with my sinking funds. So I have each one listed here and how much we are going to be putting aside. So I'm going to start, I'm going to push this over to the side, and I'm going to start with my sinking funds binder. And then I started this new envelope. I asked you guys in your last video to leave me a comment telling me what envelopes you guys have and what you're saving for. And someone commented that they had kind of unusual cash envelopes where they stuff for hurricane season. I love that idea. I don't think it's unusual. I think it's great to be prepared. And let me just say, after being snowed in for a week without running water with 3 kids, it would have been nice to be able to go to a hotel. And we kind of thought about it, but we decided against it. But you never know what kind of emergencies are going to happen that are out of your control. So we're going to start putting money aside for our 72-hour emergency fund. Yes, we have savings, but for some reason, I don't know what could happen if you can't get to the bank, can't get your money out. It's nice to have a little bit of cash on you. So we're starting this for our 72-hour emergency fund, and I'm excited about it. So today, that fund is going to get $40. Okay, and it is empty because it is a new fund. So we're just gonna put the $40 behind here. Let me know in the comments if you guys got snow and how you survived this week. Did you lose power? Thankfully, we did not lose power. If we had, our house is all electric, so we would not have had heat. So I'm so grateful that we did not lose power, and for the ones that did, I prayed for those, and I hope everybody is back with their power, back with their water and everything. So yeah, I hope everybody's doing good. So the next sinking fund is going to be savings challenge. I am doing a couple of savings challenges this year, and I'll share those with you in just a moment, which one we're stuffing for. But it's going to get $20. And it is also empty because this is the first time we are putting anything in there. And then, of course, we are not putting anything in our $5 savings envelope this time. So that's it for this binder. And then we're going to move on to the next one. So in this binder, it's kind of got a few envelopes that your ordinary person may not save for. I have an envelope for miscellaneous. I also call it like savings, even though I have a savings envelope. You never know what's going to come up. It may be something that you haven't planned for. So if you got the miscellaneous fund, then you could have some extra money for those random things that pop up. So right now in this fund, it has $50. And I'm going to go ahead and take this out because it has some change in it. And I got this nice little coin bank from Amazon. I want to show you guys in just a little bit, and then we'll put those coins in there. No quarters to go in our quarter little jar. So this time around, miscellaneous is going to get 40 bucks. And the reason why it's getting a little bit more is because I want to make sure that we have a nice cushion in this envelope just in case something comes up. Because when we lost our water, first the water froze. And then when the water unfroze, we had a bunch of pipes that did bust. And you know, you could take that money out of your house fund if you have a house fund, and it would be okay. But just random things that you don't think of, it's just great to have a little extra fun. Now, I do have an envelope for my business, but I decided to do a second one for business supplies. And for business supplies, what I mean is any kind of shipping labels that I need to buy, any kind of tape, something related to that. It's going to go, the money's going to be taken out for that, because I don't want to take money out for products and use it for supplies. So that's why I decided to do a second envelope for that. So this one, it's empty because it's new, and it's going to get $20. Alrighty, and then the next one is going to be car maintenance, and car maintenance is going to get the last $30. Alright, so I wanted to show you this savings challenge tracker sheet that I came up with, and I just think it's designed really cute. And at the top you can fill in what you're saving for and what is your saving goal. I don't really have anything in particular that I want to save for, but I'm going to leave that blank. But I am going to put each line that it has, I'm going to put what I can whenever I get paid and there's extra money that I can put in the challenge. It may be 10 one week, it may be 50 another. Just whenever we get extra money, it's going to go in that envelope for our savings challenge. And then I'll fill in the price, the amount here, and then just kind of color in every little part of the star I like that it's a star because, I don't know, it's something about stars. It kind of reminds me of childhood when you got like a little sticker on your paper. And then I wanted something fun where I could color in, like sometimes late at night when I'm just kind of bored and in my bed. Sometimes I doodle in my planner. And you just color it in here each time you put something in it. So $20 was put in the envelope for today. And guys, these are my favorite highlighters. They are the Mild Liner, and they're so pretty. I love them. And then, of course, these are my favorite pens by Papermate, the Ink Joy ones. So I'm going to go ahead and put in $20 because that's what we stuffed today. Eventually, I'll have the trackers that I use and the budget sheets that I use in my Etsy shop, but they're not quite ready yet, so be on the lookout for those. So we're going to move this to the side, and I'm going to show you my new coin bank that I got from Amazon. And I'm going to have to zoom out just a little bit so you guys can see. I don't know if you can tell, but I think it's a gallon. But it has a counter on it. And I had two of the smaller size one from Amazon before, but I gave those to the kids so that they can start getting ready to, you know, save their change too, because I want them to do the coin challenge with me. So I wanted something bigger for my coin challenge, and I'm not going to stop until it gets filled. And it's just like the smaller ones you've seen from Amazon. And you have to put batteries in it. But we're going to go ahead and put all the change in there and see what we have. Right now we're at a total of $2.28. Not so bad. I'm excited to see how much this little bank can hold. And it's going to hold all of my coins except for my quarters. They're in another jar. If you watch my previous videos, you've seen that jar before. And then all the other coins are going to go in here. And if you're interested in getting one of these coin banks yourself, I'll leave a link down in the description box so you can get your own from Amazon. And I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Again, guys, I appreciate all of you so much. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below if you have any questions. If you don't have any questions and you just want to say hi, that's fine too. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe and give the video a like. And I will see you in the next video, guys.